Did I screw this up? We're on 64. All right. All right, we are live again. Okay. I had to amp myself up a little bit. Okay. It's been a long day. So, okay. We are loading system context from dfml or import dfml system context.load name equals entry point label. Okay. Okay. Deployment python.native. Okay. System context.load. This is really all this is. Wow. Okay. Okay. Well, that was fast. Okay, I just need a little. Just need a little caffeine. All right. Okay. Um. Whew, all right. Wow, that was way more difficult than I thought it was gonna be, or way easier. What's this? Um. Well, we haven't tested it yet, but let's play with it. Hey. Okay. 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 Entities Alice. Okay. So now we should be able to entry points, console scripts. Okay. We can also say div. Oh. Okay, so we can say div sysctx, and then Alice equals system context Alice. Okay, let's go define Alice's system context in Python. Okay. And we'll do cd entities, or let's just do, all right, so let's reinstall Alice so that we pick up that entry point. And we can do a dfml service dev entry points list dfml dot sysctx, and then why is logging? Oh God, okay, so we have some issues. Entry point. Okay, so there's Alice. All right, so she's registered. She's the only system context we have registered. Um, you know, I thought that, okay, so, okay, so we see Alice. All right, so we still have a problem on our CLI where we are. where we are dumping out return await do run. So what is do run? Okay, return await self run. Okay, so Japan name service weird. Okay, what was that was happening here? Yeah. Also, how did log get changed? That's all debug info. Why is that being set? Oh, because it's being set in, oh yeah, okay. Okay, in the system context, it's setting it. Okay. Okay. So now we're not seeing the logging. Okay, unless we do log debug, then we should see the logging. Okay, great. It's working like it should. Okay, so type object run records has no attribute subclass. Also, this thing is returning a results object. Oh, because before it wasn't returning anything and now it's returning a results object. So yeah, so we need to handle return results. To do return results. Okay, system context deployment. Return results. To do Alice. Don't return if empty. If don't return or figure out how to communicate no value for output and rest of outputs in general, which we talked about. We talked about how to do that. So we haven't gotten to it yet. Okay. And what was it that we were over here doing? Oh, we just wanted to make this work now. This was just sort of our next order of business, wasn't it? So, okay. Okay. Hmm. I wonder if we can do this. Oh, it's the system context. Okay, so didn't this thing wasn't something doing a subclass off this? Was it the inner source stuff? Oh, it was the inner source stuff. Oh yeah, so we needed to provide something like this. And we just couldn't use that same one because it was. So what was that other thing that we were running that was giving us trouble? Oh, okay, great. So now we're not seeing that inner source error because we added this subclass method. Okay, so util CLI command add subclass method back and do not derive command from base diffmal object. This is because config structure slash init is handled differently, and we do not, because there's a quote there, have time to migrate right now. Okay. Okay, so we added this else system context. Okay, so okay. Uh, okay, we added the system context. Okay, so Generate namespace. Okay, so vim entities, Alice, um, Alice, CLI. So remember that we said the CLI command could take, okay, really, I really have to pee. So we're going to try to chain system context within system context as CLI commands and traverse system context methods as CLI commands, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, I think.